Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the 14th in a series where I am taking 5 different advent calendars and opening them. I'm donating the contents to a nonprofit, and I will put a link in the description box down below for more information about the nonprofit. I will start with the OPI calendar, and this is a looks like very pastel-y lavendery pink. The color is called Lavender to Find Courage. Next is the NYX calendar. This is another eyeshadow. It's called Candy Stash. Oh, that's pretty. Looks like a shimmery pink. Not sure if that's picking up here. I am going to check out NYX nail polishes. NYX eyeshadows. Wow, I haven't had a NYX nail polish in a long time either. Do they even make nail polish anymore? I used to buy them from somewhere online, but I had a lot of NYX nail polishes. All right, the Body Shop. This is the medium-sized Body Shop, and this has been not living up to my expectations. But this is good. A lot of like single-use masks, and there was an emery board. This is Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. 2 ounces, 60 mils. Nice. Someone will be able to use that. Feel unique. And this is a Lipstick Queen lipstick in frog prints. I think this is the one that they're most famous for. It's the green that is like a mood ring kind of on your lips, that it works with your pH and with your like the temperature, I think, of your lips, and it makes the color kind of based on whatever you are. Would look different on me than it would on you, for example. And last but not least, Space and K. Oh, and this is nice. This is Diptyque Eau Rose, and I can smell it without even pressing it down. That's really nice. So this is a nice size too. Excellent. Someone will really enjoy that. And thank you so much for watching. There's a lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took a little bit of time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.